The most precious resource we all have is time. Let us thank the God first for every moment we receive in life and appreciate this gift of time. A very hearty morning to one and all present here. This is Minakshi Chaudhary from class 8 and I am going to speak on the topic time. Time is the one thing that each and every one of us has the exact same amount of every single day. What is time? In terms of maths, time can be defined as the ongoing and continuous sequence of events that occur in succession from the past through the present to the future. Do we all know or understand the importance of time in our life? Many of us definitely understand time's value, but there is need that we all should understand this. Dear friends, if a student fails in an exam, he understands the value of time. If a person is suffering from a dangerous illness, he understands the value of time. Actually, it is the greatest gift in our life. Great people make the use of time in its best possible way because they know how valuable time is. They know if opportunity slips from our hand, it can never be gained. Dear friends, what is important is the present or today. Today means hard work, labor, efforts, and sweat. And we should keep in our mind that time gets lost, can never be recovered. Every year, month, week, day, hour, minute, second has its great importance to one or other's life. We are still alive, and so there is hope of having time. Let us use it wisely and make perfect use of our beautiful time. Here I end. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.